Welcome back to the channel, Yin's Tube. This video was supposed to be all about snakehead. Did a different intro. Some bow fishing up north. And I was wearing a chest cam. So every time I drew the bow back, the cam was pointed at the sky or the boat or everywhere but the snakeheads. So I do have a little bit of footage from snakehead fishing, but it's all pretty much crap. So this video has turned into a catfish and camping video. We went out on my buddy's boat and the adventure started off pretty interesting. Some broken truck parts stuck in Walmart parking lot. We did make it on the water and caught some nice catfish. It's a little dark because we were evening fishing and we were doing it without lights, but I got some decent cats and had a good adventure. Hope you enjoy what you're watching here today. Stay tuned. So headed north to shoot some snakeheads, a little bow fishing, meeting my buddy. Got the old muffled screams and got off the exit in Stafford and smoked the old caliper. So we're in the Wally World parking lot. I got a $130 caliper. I'm gonna swap this out real quick. She pooed the bed on me, and we're gonna get back on the road. Hopefully we get to shoot some fish, because this better be worth it. So there she is, new caliper, about 18 minutes. Luckily I had the tools some freaking how with me, but we're back in business. We're gonna go catch some fish. So we're all set up. We made it to the marina. I'm gonna head out here, get this boat launched. Hopefully, we're unsure if they're gonna let us park our trucks here for the night, or hoping we can park our trucks for the night. We're just gonna camp out on the boat and catch some catfish. Got some snacks, and then really hammer down on the snakeheads probably tomorrow. I mean, if we can find them tonight, we'll find them, but primary objective for this evening is some catfish. And so let's go get this boat launched. Sorry, I got smoke in my eyes from starting that motor. But we're gonna go get this boat launched and get on the water. That's a low tide. A little bit. I didn't even check it. Well, we officially made it on the water. 7:25. The old brake caliper snafu kind of put a hitch in the old giddy up, but we did manage to get out here. So we're gonna go look for some kitty cats and some snakeheads and see what we get into. Little kitty.
Monster.
Titty tat. Oh, I wasn't paying attention.
Snagged.
And I got it out. I let her sink too much. Oh my God, you need that? You got it. That's the fishes.
Can you get them out of here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm over here playing tiddlywinks with this hook. Trying to get her snelled up. Oh, beautiful. It's almost like I knew what I was doing. Got a kitty cat on.
pliers.
Yeah, probably. Did you get out?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a little cat. Catfish.
We got 3 already.
Oh yeah?
Have you guys seen any snakes today? Good one.
He's same as the other one. He's coming right in now. He's swimming at me. He might be a little bigger.
Oh yeah, he's bigger.
Ooh. He got it down the gullet.
Keeper. What'd you do with the pliers? Or
The fish grips are right there. The pliers.
I got the pliers.
You might have to shine a light on this one.
What are the grips?
We don't need them.
Oh. Sorry, dude.
You're fine. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I was good.
Should I just cut the hook?
I don't know.
Look.
How bad is it? Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Okay. I probably could have put my hands in the water first before I touched the rag. Let me get... Sorry, it's getting a little dark. Missed the hookup on that one. We were both doing other stuff. Almost lost a rod over boards. Let me get this net. Does this have the hook on it already?
Yeah.
Let me get it out of the way. There's the lightning again. That's a big kitty. That's a real big kitty. She's a grunter. You alright?
Yeah. That's why I didn't fight.
Wrap.
A lot. Thank God for these stupid things.
Can you see it? I can't get my hand around them. It's all way inside of his head. Just
I can't. Come on, dude, open up. It's a goner, dude.
Is
It's
it?
down there. Should I keep him?
it's up to you. I mean, we throw them in a cooler. Domesticated cats. I might be bleeding everywhere.
You?
Yeah. I don't know what from though yet.
From him?
No. A little bit of night fishing. Got this guy rolling in on us. We don't know what it's gonna do yet. It opened up a little tiny bit, but the second wave is en route. So we'll see. Oh man, look at that. Freaking amazing. Might be a little tough to hear me over the motor, but we're kind of running from the storm right now. There's a bridge up here. We're gonna go kind of hang out under the bridge, see what this weather does. It's little intermittent patches. It's not showing, I mean, it's showing up on radar, but not as anything super serious. But lots and lots of lightning, so we're trying to just get a little shelter for this evening. Sorry for the glare, but it's oh, there you go. Jesus criminy. We're riding under the bridge. Camped out. Choo-hoo! We're gonna wait this mess out and then go, hey, there's a bird over there. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. There he is. Why don't you come under here, bud? But current situation, ain't no damn fish in this creek. Yeah. Well, you definitely can't see that. Let's try the red light. How bad does that make it? Make it pretty. White light. I'll do this. Oh, that's bright. Fudge in my eyeballs. Well, that's it, folks. We're gonna crash out for the night. Got old bear. Let's see if I can light him up down there on the floor. And I'm gonna set up the old sleeping bag here and rack out. See you in the morning. Coffee time. This is some straight cowboy killer. I loaded her up. Need a little wake up call. Good morning. Wasn't too bad of a night. Slept on the platform there with the old sleeping bag. Under the old troll bridge. You just couldn't sit up real fast. Trust me. Oh man. We're gonna get organized and see if we can get into this morning.